Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing batteries so nothing moves while you work. Use a T8 security driver to remove the 4 screws under the grips, and then gently pry the case apart with plastic tools. This prevents marring. Once done, set screws in a labeled tray and note cable positions for reassembly. You do this now because clear access to the analog module prevents accidental damage and saves time when you reach the stick and board. After opening, disconnect the battery connector and the ribbon cable so you can lift the board safely. This avoids shorting. Remove the tiny screws holding the stick module and inspect for dust, lint, or visible wear. Use compressed air to blow out debris, then dab a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl and clean the potentiometer housings and contact surfaces. This restores smooth electrical contact. Make sure to let alcohol evaporate fully, because moisture can cause erratic input if you reassemble too soon. Reassemble enough to reconnect the battery and ribbon, then test the stick on your console before sealing everything. You'll confirm success early. If you still see drift or dead zones, swap the stick module with a replacement. Contact cleaner can help borderline cases, but replacement is more reliable. Once tests pass, finalize assembly, torque screws snugly without over-tightening, and reseat grips. If problems continue, check for a damaged flex cable or warped PCB. Those need professional repair or parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.